This is the AOS spare wheel storage and bin bag. I'm going to show you how to mount it to the spare wheel on your four-wheel drive. Let's get started.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snows here today. We're out in the car park at our store in Keswick in Adelaide, and I'm showing you today how to attach the AOS spare wheel storage bag. Now it's not immediately obvious how this works, but there are three attachment points on the back here, two straps that go over the tyre and a middle strap that kind of looks like it's hanging around there. Not immediately obvious what to do with it, but it's actually it's to loop around a main anchor point in behind the wheel. So to get started, the first thing we want to do is actually remove this strap. It's connected with a large buckle at the top there. We can put this strap on first. So we put the bag down and we come over to our spare wheel. Now this is a wheel on the barn doors in the back of a Patrol, but the bag's designed to go on just about any rear wheel like this, whether that be a fold out wheel or a lift up, a Patrol or a four-wheel drive with a lift up tailgate. This strap here just needs to go around a fixed point on the car. So in the terms of the Patrol here, this wheel is mounted with is a big black mounting bracket here that attaches to the door. So I'm going to grab this strap, and the first thing I do is unravel the extra strap here and let that go right to the bottom. I'll pull the buckle to the other end of the strap. So at this end here, I've got a loop, and I've got the loop on the long end of the buckle. Buckle at one end, loop at the other. I'm going to loop this around. I'm going to put this through here to create a loop like this. This loop here is going to go around the fixed point on the vehicle, in this case the wheel mount behind this wheel here, and then this strap goes up over the top of the wheel and attaches to the bag itself. Okay, so I've got that strap down the back of the wheel here. It's looped around this black bracket here, which is what's holding the wheel. It's looped around there. I put it through the loop in the end of this strap, and then this strap sits up over the top of the wheel here. And this is where we now attach the first attachment point for the bag. So once this is clipped on here, we can just tighten this strap a little so the top of the bag sits roughly level with the top of the wheel here. And I won't do it right now, but there are little loops or little Velcro strap on here, so we can roll this excess webbing up and just secure it here if we like, out of the way, or not out of the way so it's not flapping around while we're driving. Alternatively, you could tuck it in underneath the webbing just so it's not hanging around. Now that's our first attachment point. We've got two other backpack style straps here that need to go around the wheel. So they've got a clip on the bottom here. We undo this clip, and there's a lot of excess webbing here with the same little Velcro tabs here so we can secure the excess webbing. We lengthen these out, and now we've got two options with these. You can put these straight over the wheel like this and to the clip on the bottom, and we do the same on each side. So this one, I'll just find that clip, do that up. So that strap now goes straight over the wheel. It comes straight down here and clips to the same clip on the bottom here. The other alternative is that we could cross them over, and it makes it a little more secure. So this strap would cross over down the back of the wheel and clip to the opposite clip on this side, and the strap on this side would go over, come diagonally down and strap to the clip on this side. I think with this wheel here, because it's got quite a large wheel mount in the middle, I'm just going to go straight down each side and do the same clips on each side. So I've got the straps all done up now, and I've just rolled up this excess webbing here and secured it with these little bits of Velcro that are on here so it's not flapping around. So if we come back up the top here now, we can see we've got three straps over the top of the wheel. These two here, the main one down the middle there that's secured to the actual mount, wheel bracket behind the wheel. And the bag's now mounted and nicely secure. These straps, when they're tightened, they're not able to get around the side of the wheel because the wheel's too big, and the bag won't even, it's really hard to move it off to the side. So even though it might sort of shift around the wheel a little bit, it's not actually going to come off the wheel. So that is how you mount or attach the AOS spare wheel bag on a spare wheel of a four-wheel drive or whatever vehicle you've got a spare wheel on the back of. You can grab these online at snowies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you have any questions though, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, we'll send you all of our latest information, or check out some other AOS videos like this one down here.